Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to use Google Gemini as an app for your Windows PC, Windows 10 or in Windows 11. You can try this method in your both PC. So just you need to open your web browser. So I am using Google Chrome. Open it and here you need to search the Google Gemini on your browser. Open it, and if you want to sign in, just you need to sign in the Google account with on your Gemini website. Okay, and after signing, here in the top right side corner you can get three dots. Just click on it and scroll down. Here you can get the option card, save and share. Just need to extend this, and then here you can get one option, install page as app. Just you need to select this option. Okay, it will open the pop-up window on your screen. Here you can get your app name, and then if you want to change it, you can also able to change it from here. If you want to install this side as an app, just click on install. Okay, so it will quickly install that side as an app on your PC. As you can see guys in my screen, after installing it will open automatically. So in case if you want to open it from your desktop home screen, you can try this method. Press Windows key button and here you need to search Gemini. Okay, like this. So it will show you the installed app on your PC. As you can see guys in my screen, when you want to open it, every time you don't need to open your web browser from your desktop home screen, you can easily able to access that. Okay, so this is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.